In this video, we will show you how to use Gemini AI on our Google Documents. With Gemini AI, we can using powerful features, okay, like AI command based on LLM. How to access this Gemini on the Google Documents? First, the very easy way you can using this shortcut as Gemini. Or if you don't see this shortcut, you can go to the tools and choose Gemini. Okay, for example, we need to create summary of our documents. Okay, we can just make summaries from this document. Okay, for example, like this. Just hit the enter after that. Let's try. Okay, this document discuss how AI video generators are simplifying the production of interactive storytelling. Key points. Okay, you can see, and this is the summarize. You can also ask Gemini to provide image. You can, okay, for example, we need to make this Gemini provide the image. Let's see the Gemini will respond it or not. Okay, Gemini respond it. Okay, you can see we can just using this and click insert after that. For example, now our Google Documents is ready. Okay, ready to present or ready to share to others with more complete materials like image, and then we can also have a summaries. We can copy this into the end of this our paper or our documents. And that's our tutorial how to access Gemini in Google Documents. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.